What's happening? Welcome back to episode 10. See, last time we got the car all wrapped. There is some little bits we need to go over again, which is typical, but I'll have to wait because I don't have any Raptor left. As you see, the engine has already been sent off. We've got it back, it's all stripped.
It's low, just going to give it a bit of a wash, get it ready for powder coating. Yeah.
It should be going off for skimming this weekend, so last weekend for you, and it should be getting powder coated obviously this week, again last week for you. So let's get into it. As you can see, we got the block, rocker cover, sump, little bits, and we got a full box of everything. They'll only be getting a quick rinse because it's mainly nuts and bolts in there, and obviously clutch will be getting taken out. All we're going to be using is some TFR. I was going to get brake cleaner, but I'm an idiot and completely forgot. We've got a spray bottle, it'll pump it out nice and quick, and then we'll just rinse it down with some water. As it's getting powder coated, the water inside doesn't really matter, because obviously when it gets powder coated it's going up to about 200 degrees, so it should be fine. Gearing, stuff like that. They're staying in TFR and water overnight. I'll come back in the morning and clean them as they are caked in, I don't even know what it's in. Some's nice and clean, but I can get aluminium one of them. The guy's building my engine said I can have his, so that'll be a plus. Rock cover's nice and clean, as you can see. We didn't have to clean the top manifold as it's already clean. I've tried polishing it, but I'm getting that skimmed. And then this is going a graphite grey, which has a shine in it, which is a powder, which will be nice. And then the rocker covers going a textured red matte, and then everything else will be black, maybe silver bits, just to give it a bit of texture to the engine. We're gonna leave it for tonight, come back on Thursday, prep it all ready, get it powdered Friday hopefully, and then go get it skimmed on Sunday. Hopefully I'll be allowed in so I can show you exactly what's going on when it gets skimmed. He won't be with me, but it'll just be me, so that's why I'm hoping they'll let me in. So see you in 2 days. So it's been 2 weeks because he got COVID. So he had to isolate, so we got nothing done on the Golf. I've got all of the engine bits back. After the last time you seen us clean it, all these little bits, all the nuts and stuff, you can't really see. All these, they've been dipped in acid, washed off, they just need to clean. I started doing this, you see, that's what it was, that's what it is. That's been blasted, all this was taped off and covered, so, and there is cardboard all in there, so there won't be nothing in there. Got this back today, just been and picked it up. He's finished stripping it down. This needs a proper clean. Luckily I found a parts washer with solution, so we can just throw it in there, and then all this needs stripping down and cleaning. So get to it.
You alright?
On this.
What are you doing?
We've got the parts washer all set up now. We had a solution, which is what's it say? 50 to 1. So one of these was 5 waters of these. And we're just going through, cleaning all the bits. It's actually cleaning up really well. It takes a minute first, you have to let it sit for a minute. I did make sure it was okay, obviously putting it in this with everything moving, but this will be getting powder coated, so it will be going up to about 200 degrees in the oven, so it will definitely dry, and any water that's left in will leave. This did have all gasket on it, and already you can see it's a hell of a lot shinier. So I'll be passing this on to Charlie. He'll be doing the cleaning work, and I'll be on the wire wheel and getting all the nuts and bolts nice and shiny. Charlie's cleaning some of the bits now. I've just come and stripped this pump down, took the wheel off, got it into 2 pieces. As you can see, it needs a very, very good clean. I did snap a couple of the bolts, which luckily the thread's there so I can grip on and take them out. It's the same in there. Can't really see because it's a bit dark over here, but I literally had to pry it apart with a screwdriver. It's been sealed up before, there's just gunk all over it. So let's go see what Charlie's doing. Charlie's finished most of these bits, nice and shiny now. All these are just going to get powder lacquered, stayed like this. This has been broken, it could have been transported, it could have already been broken, but I can't seem to find one of these, so I'm going to get someone to take that up there, and then someone to also see that. That was disgusting. I really hope you can hear that. Yeah, and then these bits are fairly clean. This won't be getting coloured, as there's so much stuff to mask up. It's just a ball ache. This has got damage on it, not that one, this one. So the lip there, as you can see, is missing. Another thing that has been finished, which we didn't show because it was done while I was in work hours, is the rocker cover and top manifold have been powder coated and skimmed, so they're all ready. And then the same with the rocker cover, nicely done, and then the back's all clean as well. They got cleaned and then they also got blasted. The rocker cover's in a texture red, so it's a matte type colour, and then the rocker cover's in a graphite colour, which has, in the sun, it has like a shiny silver. The block, I'm probably going to put it through blasting again, as it was the other way up. It was upside down when it got done, so all these edges have been missed. And then the tops are really nice, and so are in the barrels. So, yep. So 10 finished for now. Most of the engine bits now will be done while I'm in work hours, so I won't be able to film it. I'll show you when it's ready. Then we'll be back on the actual Golf. We're now on the bodywork side. There is a little bit of Raptor we need to do, but that will all get finished when it gets painted. I have decided on a colour, but I'm going to wait, and it'll be a nice surprise. So thanks for watching.